Here's how to calculate for your CGPA, your GPA, and your FGPA. I know you're probably here because you want to know how to calculate for your CGPA, your GPA, and your FGPA. Stay tuned.
I'm hoping you say 2 or 3. Agree? Yeah, indeed, you look good and we came to party, but I don't want to waste my time. I'll waste your time. I'll waste your time.
Hey, my name is Perpetua. I'm in the University of Ghana studying Information Studies and Theatre Arts, level 300. I welcome myself here because this is my first YouTube video and you as well for doing this with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post here. Thank you. Let's get straight to today's video. I'm going to teach you or show you how to calculate for your CGPA, your GPA, and your FGPA in the University of Ghana. This video is going to help you to know whether you're completing with first class, second class, or third class, whilst you get to know how to calculate it so that you calculate your points that you have so far and you get to know where you are. What does these abbreviations stand for? The CGPA for cumulative grade points average, the GPA for grade points average, FGPA for final grade points average, your CCT for cumulative courses taken, and your GPT is your grade points. This grade point is what you're going to use to calculate for your CGPA and your FGPA. Here, I'm going to show you how to calculate for your GPA and FGPA practically. So, calculation of GPA is done per semester. Meaning, if you want to calculate for your GPA, you're going to take a semester out of an academic year and calculate for your GPA for that specific semester. So, if you are going to calculate for your GPA, you're going to need your GPT, which is your grade points, and your CCT, which is your cumulative courses taken. Yes, your cumulative courses taken. That's for the CCT. Suppose you got grade A, which is equivalent to 12 in all of your 5 courses. You're going to sum all of them up. And you sum your CCT also up. So here is it. When you are calculating for your GPA, you are going to use your grade point, the sum of this, and you divide by your CCT, the sum of this. So my GPA here, I'm getting grade points, which is 60, divided by CCT, which is 15. And using my calculator, my GPA is 4.0 for a specific semester only. Yes, 4.0. So this is how you calculate for your GPA. This is how you calculate for your GPA. GPAs are already calculated by the University of Ghana and they are showing on your student records. But this is how it's actually calculated. Yes. What we did was for a specific semester. Here we are going to calculate for our GPA for the whole year. Just a year. So you're going to add your 2 GPAs to get your CGPA for a year. So we are going to calculate for our CGPA in the same manner we did with our GPA. So you are going to sum up our GPT. This time around it's going to be 10 because it's our GPT from level 100 first semester to level 100 second semester. So we are going to sum up all of this and we will divide by our CCT. Here is it. So CGPA is equal to a year's GPT out of a year's CCT. So CGPA is equal to 120 over our CCT, which is 30, and here too we got 4.0 as your CGPA because it's a year's GPA. Here we are going to find our FGPA, which is your final grade point average. So if you want to find your final grade point average, which is your FGPA, you're going to add all your GPAs from level 100 to level 400. Finding FGPA, you're going to need your CGPA from level 100 to level 400. You can only do this calculation when your last exams in the university is reflecting years, because you're going to need all of your CGPAs from 100 to 400. Assuming our CGPA from level 100 to 400 is 4.0 for each year. Yes, you're going to use the ratio of the University of Ghana, which is 1122, meaning level 100 is 1, level 200 is 1, level 300 is 2, and level 400 is 2. When you sum these up, you're going to get 6. Here, you're going to take the 1 here and divide it by the total of the ratio, 6. And you multiply it by your CGPA that you got in level 100. Not only level 100 first semester, but both semesters, level 100. So suppose I got 4.0 as my CGPA. This is what I'm going to get. The same for level 200, level 300, and level 400. You're going to take the ratio and divide it by the sum of the ratio and multiply it by your CGPA for the second year, as well as you take 2 and you divide it by the sum of the ratio and you multiply it by your CGPA. For the last year too, you do same, of which the ratio is 2, not 1. Yes, 2. So you get 2 out of the sum of the ratio 6 minus your CGPA. Here we got 4.0. So this is what you are going to get. So when you add these, what you get is your FGPA, your final grade point average. So suppose you got 4.0 in level 100, 4.0 in level 200, 4.0 in level 300, and 4.0 in level 400, you're going to get 3.998. Here we are going to run the numbers to get 4.0. 4.0 is first class in the University of Ghana, and I think everywhere. Yes, if you didn't get this well, or this sounded so cheap or something, I did this here so that it can enlighten us well. So assuming I got these CGPAs throughout my 4 years in the school, of which level 100 I got 3.13, level 200 3.0, level 300 2.93, level 400 3.7. You are going to use the same ratio by the University of Ghana. So here you take the ratio, you divide it by the 6, the sum of the ratio, times what you got here. So when you do the calculation, this is what you're going to get for all of this. So after that, you add these up, you sum them up. What you get is your final grade point average. So here we got 3.23, which is second class upper division. Okay. This is the degree classification. So if you are to get 3.60 to 4.0, that will be first class. To get 3.00 to 3.59, that will be second class, upper division. To get 2.00 to 2.99, that will be second class, lower division. To get 1.50 to 1.99, that will be third class. And to get 1.00 to 1.49, that will be pass. And to get 0.00 to 0.99, that will be fail. Sorry. Okay, thank you. I hope this exercise we took really helped you and is going to be useful in your academic journey. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to friends who might need it. Please don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I post my videos. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.